Is your Xiaomi phone stuck at checking for internet access? Then no need to panic. This problem can be solved with the right steps. Before you start, open Dialer and type *#**** or 636 #*#**. Tap Wi-Fi information. Tap Wi-Fi status. Tap refresh status. Solution 2. Enable Wi-Fi scan throttling. A simple restart can fix many problems. Swipe down from the top of your phone and turn off your Wi-Fi. Wait a second and then turn it back on. After that, restart your phone. Now, check your issue. Solution 2. Go to Settings and scroll down. Tap on Additional Settings. Scroll down again and tap on Developer Options. In the Developer Options, you will need to change a few things. Scroll down and find a setting called Enable Wi-Fi Verbose Logging and toggle it on. Then find Wi-Fi Scan Throttling and toggle it on as well. After that, toggle on Tethering Hardware Acceleration. This will make your connection faster. Once this is done, close Settings and restart your phone.